friend of mine called me this morning and she needs to get all of the URLs that I have to websites associated with the project that we are working on together. She asked me to send her my bookmarks out of my Chrome browser. However, in Chrome, in Bookmarks, I'm in my Chrome Bookmark Manager, there is no way to export out just a piece of my bookmarks, some of them. And even if I right-click on the file, there's no way to export out just the URLs that are in this folder. So I've come up with an alternative, and this is the alternative. I want to send her all the files that are in here, all the URLs. There's 4 of them, so I'm going to copy them from here. Now, the next step is to take what I just copied and paste it into what's referred to as a rich text format, or maybe even HTML format file. You can't paste it into a simple text file. So if you're using a PC, don't use Notepad. On a PC, you could use Word or you could use WordPad. On a Mac, it's real easy. You just use Text Editor. Let me show you. I'm going to go to Text Edit. Now I got to create a new file. Now by default, Text Edit on a Mac creates an RTF, rich text format. So now I can just simply paste those URLs right into there. So there they are. Now what I can do is I can do File, Save. I'm going to send this to Betty, Bookmarks for Betty. And I'm saving it on my desktop as a rich text document, not as a text file, which interestingly enough on Mac Text Edit, the option I have is rich text. So hit save. Now I've saved that file. Now the next step is for Betty to get this file. And let me show you what Betty would need to do in order to get those bookmarks into her bookmark manager. Give me a second. Let me go to Betty's computer. Now, lo and behold, Betty's already gotten the email from me and she's opened up this file that I sent to her. And then the next step is for her to open up in Chrome, open up a blank window. This is the easiest way to do it. Open a blank window. In Chrome, it's really pretty easy. You just file new window and there's a blank window. There's no tabs open. Now, the next thing that Betty needs to do is open each one of those links that I sent her. Let me do that for her. I've opened them all up in Betty's blank Chrome window. Now the next step is the last step. She clicks on each one of the tabs, hit the bookmark button, choose the folder she wants to put them into, or create a new folder and hit done. And then each one of them subsequently, it'll automatically go to that last folder you added to. Just click on each one, click that. It's 3 clicks per tab. Click that, click that, click that. And now they're done. If I go look at Bookmark Manager, you'll see for Betty, there they are right there. There's those bookmarks that I had on my computer that I sent to her in a rich text format file that she opened and saved into her bookmarks, whatever browser she wants to save them in. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail and helping people use these tools to be more efficient, and I hope this is helpful for you.